January 25th, 31, here I am. This is the Yunque Rainforest in Puerto Rico, and I'm trying to get to the summit. And here's my trail. It's flooding out. It's been raining since I woke up, so I don't know if this is gonna stop anytime soon. I'm now starting to think. I didn't bring my phone, so I don't know what time it is. I haven't seen anyone on this trail. Don't know exactly where I am. I can't see the sun. I don't have any food or water with me. Just know that if I go missing or die on this trail, that I hope you find this and you realize that I know how stupid I am being right now. So you may be asking, John, you don't have your phone, you don't have a change of socks, you don't have any water. What is in that ginormous bag you're carrying? Well, I'll tell you. It's a whole bunch of useless camera gear. I can't see more than, 20 yards ahead of me, so that's worthless. A bunch of chargers, my laptop, because I need that out here in the fucking rainforest. A bunch of useless shit. This thing right here kind of looked like a snake to me as I was going underneath it. Just realized I'm by myself, and if I get bit by a snake, I'm gonna have to trek out of here. It's getting a little windy! So, I think I can see the summit. I think it's up there. Well, I made it to the summit. I'm glad I brought my my drone and my camera. Nah, I'd rather have this than sunshine. There's nobody else here, and there's a reason for that. Well, I don't know what time it is, so it took me about 3 hours to get here, and now I just have to find my way down.